Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone video. Now before we get started, let me just go by some things. First things first, I know this video is very basic. As annoying as this might sound, I love these videos. I watch these videos all the time, especially YouTubers that I watch often. I love their what's on my iPhone videos because I'm nosy and I like to know what's going on. I did this video about 6 months ago and all I have to say is my case changed, my format of the inside of my phone has changed, the apps I have changed, so a lot has changed. This is my updated what's on my iPhone. Also, I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max Plus, I don't even know. In my last video I got confused too. I don't really know what it's called, but it looks like this. Case I just got from Amazon for I think $10. I don't know, it's just a clear basic case. I have a few other cases that I like, but I like to switch up my cases a lot. I have this little sticker thing that I found, but it was laying around my room. Grandma got me this pocket thing to put your cards in so you don't lose them, which I need. Let's get into what's on my iPhone. Okay, so this is my lock screen. It's Paris. It's just a really cute picture, very vibey, very nice. I want to be there right now. My home screen is my aunt's dog, basically my dog. She's like my baby. She's always here. She's coming over in 2 hours. I have 4 pages, so this is my first one, second, third, and fourth. Going back to the first one, I have a little Widget Smith medium-sized one. I don't know what you want to call it. Basically, I just have my calendar in it, and I have my reminders in my calendar, so tomorrow's is to upload. So going into my folders, the first one that I have is a little camera one. All of my folder names are emojis that correspond with the folder. First one, film, camera, photos, nothing special. Next one is a bag. This one doesn't really go along with the folder, but we can act like it does. So I have clock, calendar, calculator, Safari, notes, settings, contacts, basic stuff. But then I have Nibla. I don't know how to say it. Basically, it's a horoscope thing. So, very self-explanatory. My daily horoscope. It says my big 3, which I just learned, which is really interesting. So yeah, I don't know. That's my horoscope. I read it every morning. And then on the next side of the folder, I have Maps, Weather, App Store, and Widget Smith. Widget Smith is how I make these things. So yeah, this is old ones that I had. My next folder is Brown Heart, and this is basically just my socials. So I have Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook. I use Facebook for family, so yeah. Then I have Pinterest, which is my favorite thing ever, YouTube, this. Twitter, Visco. I don't use Visco as much, but yeah. I have Messenger, which is Facebook. I don't really know how it all works. My grandma just told me to get it, so I have it. I have Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. And then I have Netflix, which I use when I sleep over at my friend's house and when everyone's asleep and I'm still awake, I watch Netflix on my phone. That's basically what I use it for because I always watch Netflix on my computer. And then next I have a little teddy bear, and it doesn't really go along with the music, but yeah, this is my music folder. I have SoundCloud, and then I have Spotify. Go follow me on Spotify. If you watch my videos, you know my Spotify by now because I do playlist videos all the time. And next at the bottom, I just have messages, FaceTime, and phone. Very simple. Next page, I have another little Widget Smith, and it's just flowers. It's very cute. It's very springy. In the first folder I have, the emoji doesn't go along with the thing. I don't know. It's a translate thing app, because I have cousins in Italy and sometimes I try to speak Sicilian. By the way, may I just say Italian and Sicilian are not the same thing. They're the same obviously because they're both in Italy, but yeah, so I have to use translate sometimes because I get confused. And then next I have a little fortune cookie, and this is location because I like to track my friends, they like to track me. My grandma loves to track me, I love to track her. I don't really love to track my grandma, but I like to find my friends. So I have Life 360 and Find My Friends. Self-explanatory. Next, I have a champagne glass emoji. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a cute emoji. So I have Amazon, DoorDash, Shein, Chase, my bank app, Depop, which I don't really use a lot, but I want to start using Depop. I want to start using Depop more. So if you guys have any like good people that you buy your clothes from, let me know. And then I have Yelp because I'm kind of a Karen. Not really, but like I like to find out stores. And then I have Wallet, Venmo, which I use with my friends. It's really fun. I also like stalking people's Venmos. Like I like looking through who pays who. Yeah, I sound really scary. I have PayPal because that's how I get paid from brands and fun things. And then I have a crown emoji, which is just my games. I have Subway Surf, which I've been playing since 4th grade probably. So like friends on Subway Surf with the people that I used to play with a long time ago. We still play together. And then I have Wordscape, which if I want to use my brain, I play that. It's fun. And then on the not the last page. And then on the next page, I have a Saturn emoji, which doesn't correspond with the apps. I don't think any of these emojis correspond with apps, but this is like my editing apps. If you want to watch how I edit my Instagram pictures, you can go see that and see how I use all these apps. But I have PixArt, which I use the most. It's like my holy grail. It's my favorite app. And then I have Facetune. It be like that sometimes. And then I have PicCollage, Dazcam. I use the Dazcam for like film pictures to make them look like film pictures, you know. And then I have Prequel, which I use a lot for editing like fun pictures and videos. I have Lightroom, Megaphoto, and Remy. Remy is so cool. You can make like a blurry or like an old picture super clear and like super nice. And then I have this next folder. I have my Ring app, so I can see who's trying to get in my house. And then I have Uber. I have Starbucks, which I use all the time. I'm trying to get 400 points so I can be a gold member. I think that's how it works. I don't know. I'm so close. I'm literally so close. Anyways, I have Chipotle because I go to Chipotle like every night. I just had it last night. Then I have this next folder. I have reminders, Gmail. I use my email every single day for school, for work, everything. I have Sandbox. One of my friends is in the Marines, so I can like send him messages through that. And I have Stanford Children. It's my hospital or my doctor, how I send her messages. And then I have Flow. Us girls know. I have YouTube Studio, which if I'm trying to like know my stats or numbers, but I'm not trying to go on my computer, I can just look on my phone. Very nice, very simple. Then I have Famous Birthdays. Go boost me on Famous Birthdays. I just have that app because I'm on the Famous Birthdays. That's pretty much it. And then next, I have a Zen little girl person. I have Socratic. It's a school app. You can like find answers, but it doesn't really work. So then I have Student, which is Canvas, what I use for college, get on my schoolwork. And then I have Grammarly, which helps my grammar and stuff. I don't know if I'm writing like important emails or if I'm doing homework on my phone, which I rarely do, but yeah. I have Chegg. For legal reasons, I don't use Chegg. I don't, so yeah. And then I have Zoom because sometimes I'm out and I need to go on my class. I just do Zoom on my phone. And then on my last page, I just have random stuff. I don't use half of this stuff. Sometimes I use iMovie to just like do the raw edits for my vlogs, and then once I have just like the raw edit, I put it onto my computer and do like all the cool edits, if that makes sense. I just have random apps, and that's pretty much it. That's basically my whole iPhone. Okay, so that is everything on my iPhone. I feel like I went through that really fast. I didn't mean to. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun to watch. And if you're new here, subscribe. Remember to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.